What are your contributions to attain sustainability in our MyTown community?
For me, it's the sustainable fashion. So whenever I do shop, I make sure that I shop those pieces that I can style in different ways para ma-ROI ko siya. Sa akin, ginagawa ko, nagdadala ko lagi ng straw, yung metal straw. Kasi may mga ibang cafe or ano pa rin na nagbibigay ng plastic straw para makakasave tayo at hindi natin maapektuhan ang ating dagat, ang ating kalikasan.
So unang-una, dahil malapit lang naman tayo sa BGC, kesa magmotor na ako, mas pipili ko na lang syempre na maglakad-lakad kasi 10 to 15 minutes lang naman yung lakad eh. Tapos pangalawa, instead nga naman na magpa-deliver ako, bumibili lang ako dyan sa karinderya para nga naman plato, kutsara, or reusable.
Always using this go bag. Time I think go out, lagi ako gumagamit ng mga reusable things like this. Ayoko nga gumamit din ng plastic, and every time na lumalabas ako, dala-dala ko lagi to. So hindi ko na need gumamit ng mga bottled waters.
First is in-encourage tayo ni MyTown to do the reuse, at the same time yung mga garbage, making sure na nasa proper waste. Yun yung una, and then yung pangalawa is syempre we have to maximize syempre yung sa electricity. Kapag walang tao sa room, lahat naka-plug out and make sure na naka-switch off to save the environment.
What do you think is the impact of Earth Hour in our MyTown community?
Every small or simple way ni MyTown sa pag-save ng kuryente, malaking impact dun sa Earth natin. Siyempre, yung una naman, hindi lang to about the businesses, di ba? Parang MyTown is also one of the establishment who are always participating in terms of Earth Hour para at least kahit pa paano matulungan natin yung planet.
We can just turn off our just 1 hour, makakapag-reduce na siya ng carbon emission. No?
Imagine if all of the houses in the Philippines will have a 1 hour off. Yung ipapatayin yung ilaw for 1 hour, it has a really big impact on saving Earth. Where energy mas happy. Energy, energy, energy.